Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. And what is new at my shop? Well, today my friend brought 2000 Toyota Tacoma SR5, but this one, as you can see immediately, it's a two-wheel drive model. And I'm very excited about it because this is the model which I never had a chance to work on and in the same time film it for you. So this is a great news in my opinion, and obviously we have opportunity for many videos on this kind of Tacoma. This one has a 4-cylinder and it's a 2.4 liter, which model name or number, it's a 2RZFE. And as I said before, I didn't have any opportunity to film this one for you in the past. So we will start with typical engine oil change. This is what it came for. Obviously you can see with me, this is not a pampered car, so everything is dirty because this one serves only occasionally as a work truck. It's pretty cool, I like it, right? It's an older machine, but these are those famous Toyotas which lasts forever. Let's have a little peek inside, how looks the interior. Here is the badge again, right? This is very standard, as everybody knows. The 5-speed manual transmission, right? Very cool. I think in these years Toyotas were made really great. These are great trucks. Has a nice speedometer and tachometer, so this is fantastic. I really like it. So if you want to see something about the maintenance and repair or this kind of Toyota, make sure you are subscribed because I will have a bunch of videos coming your way soon. Thank you for watching, my friend, and I will see you in the next video.